Welcome to our comprehensive guide on using AI for content creation on YouTube. In this video, we'll explore how artificial intelligence is revolutionizing the way creators develop, edit, and optimize their videos. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced YouTuber, understanding how to leverage AI tools can help you save time, boost creativity, and grow your channel. From brainstorming video ideas to automating editing tasks, AI is becoming an essential part of the modern content creator's toolkit. Let's dive in and discover how you can harness the power of AI to elevate your YouTube content to the next level. Artificial intelligence, or AI, refers to computer systems that can perform tasks typically requiring human intelligence. In the context of YouTube content creation, AI can assist with everything from generating video ideas to editing footage and optimizing your uploads for better reach. These tools use advanced algorithms to analyze data, recognize patterns, and make recommendations, helping creators work smarter, not harder. By integrating AI into your workflow, you can streamline repetitive tasks and focus more on the creative aspects of your channel. Using AI for YouTube content creation offers several key benefits. First, it saves you time by automating tasks like editing, captioning, and even generating thumbnails. Second, AI tools can enhance your creativity by suggesting new video ideas based on trending topics and audience interests. Third, AI can help you optimize your content for search engines, increasing your chances of reaching a wider audience. By embracing AI, you can produce higher quality videos more efficiently and stay ahead in the competitive world of YouTube. One of the first steps in content creation is coming up with engaging video ideas. AI-powered platforms can analyze current trends, audience preferences, and even your channel's past performance to suggest topics that are likely to resonate with viewers. Tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, and TubeBuddy use natural language processing and data analytics to help you brainstorm fresh and relevant content ideas, ensuring your channel stays up to date and appealing. Writing scripts can be time-consuming, but AI tools can make this process much easier. Platforms like ChatGPT and Jasper can generate detailed video scripts based on your chosen topic, tone, and style. You simply provide a prompt or outline, and the AI will craft engaging, coherent scripts that you can use as is or customize further. This not only speeds up production, but also helps maintain consistency and quality across your videos. If you're not comfortable recording your own voice, AI-powered voiceover tools can help. Services like Descript and Murph AI use advanced text-to-speech technology to generate natural-sounding narration from your scripts. You can choose from a variety of voices, accents, and languages, making your videos accessible to a broader audience. This is especially useful for creators who want to produce content quickly or in multiple languages. Editing is often the most time-consuming part of video production. Fortunately, AI-powered editors like Magisto and Lumen 5 can automatically cut, trim, and arrange your footage based on your preferences. These tools can also add transitions, effects, and background music, all with minimal input from you. By automating the editing process, you can focus more on content creation and less on technical details. Thumbnails are crucial for attracting viewers, and AI can help you design eye-catching ones. Tools like Canva and Snappa use AI to suggest layouts, colors, and images that are proven to perform well. Some platforms even analyze your video content and automatically generate thumbnails that highlight the most engaging moments. This ensures your videos stand out in search results and recommended feeds. Adding captions and subtitles makes your videos more accessible and can boost engagement. AI-powered tools like Rev and Capwing can automatically transcribe your audio and generate accurate captions in multiple languages. These tools use speech recognition technology to ensure your subtitles are synchronized with your video, saving you hours of manual work and helping you reach a global audience. Background music sets the tone for your videos. AI music generators like AIVA and Amper Music can compose original tracks tailored to your video's mood and style. You can specify the genre, tempo, and instruments, and the AI will create music that fits perfectly. This not only saves you from copyright issues, but also adds a professional touch to your content. Your video's title and description play a big role in attracting viewers. AI tools like TubeBuddy and vidIQ analyze keywords, trends, and competitor data to suggest optimized titles and descriptions. These recommendations help your videos rank higher in search results and get more clicks. By using AI for optimization, you can ensure your content reaches the right audience. Search engine optimization, or SEO, is crucial for growing your YouTube channel. AI-powered SEO tools can analyze your video content, suggest relevant tags, and even predict which keywords will drive the most traffic. By following these AI-driven recommendations, you can improve your video's visibility and attract more subscribers over time. Understanding your audience is key to creating content that resonates. AI analytics tools can process vast amounts of data from your channel, providing insights into viewer demographics, watch time, and engagement patterns. With this information, you can tailor your content strategy to better meet your audience's preferences and maximize your channel's growth. Scheduling and publishing videos can be streamlined with AI automation tools. Platforms like Hootsuite and Buffer allow you to plan your content calendar, schedule uploads, and even post to multiple platforms automatically. This ensures your videos go live at optimal times, increasing the chances of reaching your audience when they're most active. Engaging with your viewers is essential for building a loyal community. AI chatbots and comment management tools can help you respond to comments, answer questions, and moderate discussions efficiently. These tools ensure that your audience feels heard and valued, even as your channel grows and the volume of interactions increases. AI can help you personalize your content for different segments of your audience. By analyzing viewer behavior and preferences, AI tools can recommend specific topics, formats, or even video lengths that are more likely to engage each group. This level of personalization can lead to higher retention rates and more loyal subscribers. Staying on top of trends is vital for YouTube success. AI-powered trend analysis tools can monitor social media, news, and search data to identify emerging topics in your niche. By creating content around these trends, you can capitalize on increased interest and attract new viewers to your channel. A/B testing is a powerful way to optimize your content, and AI can automate this process. By testing different thumbnails, titles, or video formats, AI tools can quickly determine which versions perform best. This data-driven approach helps you make informed decisions and continuously improve your channel's performance. Long videos can be challenging for viewers with limited time. AI summarization tools can automatically generate concise highlights or summaries of your videos, making it easier for viewers to grasp the main points quickly. These summaries can also be used for promotional clips or social media teasers. AI can help you repurpose your existing content into new formats. For example, a long-form video can be automatically split into shorter clips, or key points can be extracted and turned into blog posts or social media updates. This maximizes the value of your content and helps you reach audiences on different platforms. Avoiding copyright issues is crucial for YouTube creators. AI-powered copyright detection tools can scan your videos for copyrighted material, such as music or images, before you publish. This helps you avoid strikes and ensures your content remains compliant with YouTube's policies. Maintaining a positive community is easier with AI content moderation tools. These systems can automatically detect and filter out inappropriate comments or spam, keeping your channel's environment friendly and welcoming. This is especially helpful for larger channels with high volumes of interaction. Tracking your channel's performance is essential for growth. AI analytics tools can generate detailed reports on your videos, performance, including views, watch time, and engagement metrics. These automated reports provide actionable insights, helping you refine your content strategy and achieve your goals. Collaborating with other creators can boost your channel's growth. AI platforms can help you identify potential collaborators by analyzing audience overlap, engagement rates, and content compatibility. This data-driven approach ensures you partner with creators who can help you reach new viewers and expand your community. Maximizing your channel's revenue is easier with AI monetization tools. These platforms analyze your content and audience data to recommend the best monetization strategies, such as ad placements, sponsorships, or merchandise. By following AI-driven suggestions, you can increase your earnings while maintaining a positive viewer experience. Consistent branding helps your channel stand out. AI design tools can generate logos, banners, and other branding elements that match your channel's style and audience preferences. These tools use data-driven insights to ensure your branding is both attractive and effective, making your channel more memorable. Making your content accessible to everyone is important. AI tools can generate audio descriptions for visually impaired viewers, translate captions into multiple languages, and even adjust video playback speed for different needs. These features help you reach a wider audience and demonstrate your commitment to inclusivity. Effective content planning is crucial for consistent uploads. AI-powered planning tools can help you organize your ideas, schedule production, and track progress. By analyzing your past performance and audience preferences, these tools can also suggest the best times to publish and the types of content that are likely to succeed. AI can automatically enhance the quality of your videos by adjusting brightness, contrast, and color balance. Some tools can even upscale resolution or remove background noise from audio tracks. These enhancements ensure your content looks and sounds professional, even if you're working with basic equipment. Reaching a global audience is easier with AI localization tools. These platforms can translate your scripts, captions, and even voiceovers into multiple languages, ensuring your content is accessible to viewers worldwide. Localization can help you tap into new markets and grow your subscriber base. Getting feedback on your videos is essential for improvement. AI tools can analyze viewer comments, likes, and watch patterns in real time, providing instant feedback on what's working and what's not. This allows you to make quick adjustments and keep your content aligned with audience expectations. AI recommendation engines can suggest which videos to create next based on your channel's performance and audience interests. These tools analyze data from your uploads and similar channels to identify content gaps and opportunities, helping you stay relevant and keep your viewers engaged. Predicting your channel's growth can help you set realistic goals and plan for the future. AI forecasting tools use historical data and current trends to project subscriber growth, view counts, and engagement rates. This information helps you make informed decisions and stay motivated as you build your channel. Retargeting helps you re-engage viewers who have interacted with your channel before. AI tools can identify these viewers and suggest personalized content or ads to bring them back. This increases your chances of turning casual viewers into loyal subscribers and boosting overall engagement. Placing ads at the right moments can maximize your revenue without disrupting the viewer experience. AI ad placement tools analyze viewer behavior and video structure to recommend optimal ad breaks. This ensures your ads are effective and your audience remains engaged throughout your videos. Staying compliant with YouTube's policies is essential. AI compliance tools can scan your videos for potential violations, such as inappropriate language or copyrighted material, before you publish. This proactive approach helps you avoid strikes and maintain a positive reputation on the platform. Content curation involves selecting and sharing relevant videos or playlists with your audience. AI tools can automatically curate content based on viewer interests, trending topics, and your channel's niche. This keeps your channel active and provides additional value to your subscribers. Creating playlists can boost watch time and keep viewers engaged. AI playlist tools can automatically group your videos based on topics, viewer preferences, or performance data. This makes it easier for viewers to find related content and spend more time on your channel. Testing different thumbnails can help you find the most effective design. AI A/B testing tools can automatically rotate thumbnails and track which ones get the most clicks. This data-driven approach ensures you always use the best-performing visuals for your videos. End screens encourage viewers to watch more of your content. AI tools can automatically suggest or generate end screens based on viewer behavior and video performance. This helps you keep viewers engaged and increase your channel's overall watch time. Video chapters make it easier for viewers to navigate your content. AI tools can automatically detect topic changes and insert chapters at the right moments. This improves the viewer experience and makes your videos more accessible, especially for longer content. Summaries help viewers quickly understand what your video is about. AI summary tools can generate concise descriptions or highlight reels, making your content more shareable and appealing to busy viewers. These summaries can also improve your video's performance in search results. Promoting your videos on social media is easier with AI automation. Tools can automatically share your new uploads across platforms like Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram, using optimized captions and hashtags. This increases your reach and drives more traffic to your YouTube channel. Keeping your content up to date is important for long-term success. AI tools can monitor your videos for outdated information and suggest updates or corrections. This ensures your channel remains accurate, relevant, and trustworthy in the eyes of your viewers. As we've seen, AI offers a wide range of tools and techniques to enhance every stage of your YouTube content creation journey. From idea generation and editing to optimization and engagement, AI can help you work smarter, save time, and achieve better results. By embracing these technologies, you'll be well-equipped to grow your channel, reach new audiences, and succeed in the ever-evolving world of YouTube. Start exploring AI tools today and unlock your full creative potential.